Chapter 7. On Monday morning, Sergeant Forster went to Roger's office and asked some questions. And then he went to Albert's house and asked some more questions. Inspector Walsh sat in his office and telephoned. He made phone calls about Peter Hobbs, and he made phone calls about Tom Reed. And then he had some coffee and sandwiches. At 3 o'clock, the two detectives brought to the Clarksons' house. "I would like to see everyone," he told Roger. Everyone came into the sitting room and sat down. Inspector Walsh stood in front of the window and looked up them one by one. "I want to talk to you. Someone killed Molly Clark. Someone put sleeping tablet in her hot milk and killed her. Nobody wanted to tell me the true story. But now I know the true story, and I'm going to tell you." The two dogs came to and sat down Diane's feet. It was very quiet in the room. The inspector looked to Albert. "Mr. King, your wife is very ill and needs a nurse. You told me this. You didn't tell me about your house. You're selling your house next month because you need money." Albert was angry. "Last year, I asked Molly's husband for some money, and he said yes. But then he died in an accident." "Accident?" Diane cried. "That was no accident. Mother killed Daddy because she wanted his money." "Let's talk about you now, Diane," said Inspector Walsh. "You visited your mother every month, and you took money from her. Last month, she gave you money for your television. This month, she gave you money for your telephone. Every month, you told your mother it was no accident. You killed Daddy. I'm going to tell the police." "Your mother was afraid of the police, and so she gave you the money. But in the end, she wanted to stop you. She told Dr. Pratt. No more money. She told Dr. Pratt on Thursday, and on Saturday she died. You took the hot meal to your mother. What did she tell you?" Diane began to cry. "I love Daddy. He always gave money to me. He loved me. It was Mother. She didn't love Daddy, and she didn't love me." Diane stopped. The dog got up and went